Sun Motion Compact Cylinder Linear Servo Motor from Sanyo Denki comes with great features in a small package, which can be utilized in various places. With built-in linear guide and encoder, user can utilize cylinder linear motor compact design for design size reduction and reduce assembly man-hours. Industrial leading high acceleration and deceleration rate, higher speed can be achieved and reduce machine cycle time. Multiple unit arrangement in parallel is possible, which contribute to size reduction. Ideal for mounter, FPC for smartphones, semiconductor manufacturing equipment, inspection equipment, and assembly equipment. Comes in two models, 12mm width and 20mm width model, with 30mm stroke and 50mm stroke, respectively. Maximum thrust can go up to 50 Newton and maximum speed up to 2 meters per second. Multiple types of amplifiers are compatible with cylinder linear servo motor. With pulse input and Ethernet interface, user can have the choice of amplifier selection. High-speed serial communication available for multi-axis synchronization. Comparing cylinder linear servo motor with other similar mechanism, ball screw can achieve high torque and high thrust, but it has a large size and speed is low as it is converting rotary motion directly to linear motion. Besides, it is noisy and produces dust due to mechanical contacts of the system. Our linear motor is better in respects of speed, size, mass, and maintenance. For belt mechanism, it is cheaper and faster than ball screw drive, but the size is large, has low rigidity and suffer backlash, which affecting the accuracy. Our linear motor is better in respects of size, mass, and accuracy. Our linear motor is better compared to products by other manufacturers in respects of thrust, speed, stroke, and encoder resolution. Sanyo Denki cylinder linear motor is ideal for equipment requiring high speed, compact size, and high density arrangement. User can utilize cylinder linear servo motor compact and lightweight features to use with small robots as its ends manipulator. High speed and accuracy also can be achieved for the motion of manipulator. Remote synchronized control of robots is possible with high-speed serial communication. Our motor also can be used as Z-axis mounter heads and utilizing the high speed to achieve cycle time reduction of customer equipment. With compact and lightweight design, multiple axes can be placed adjacent to one another. Comes with multi-axis amplifier, user can achieve space saving and wire saving. High-speed serial communication also available for multi-axis synchronization. With high thrust and accuracy, user can use this motor for soft touch application. Combining press sequence with high speed positioning, user can reduce cycle time of their equipment. Customer has the choice of amplifier selection from pulse input type or Ethernet type.